Welcome to Food from My Kitchen,
Soup Sunday edition.
In today's episode of Keto Cooking, we will learn how to make this delicious pea and mint soup, which is the perfect recipe for any occasion.
To get the lowdown on how we do it, keep watching this video for step-by-step instructions. Here are the main ingredients you'll need.
400 grams of frozen garden peas, 3 tablespoons of dried mint, 2 onions, 1 vegetable stock cube, Let's get started. Grab the onions and peel the skin. Then chop it all up. Don't worry about being neat, as it will all be blended later. Next, put a pot on a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and allow to come up to temperature. Once hot, add the chopped onions and allow them to soften in the pot. While the onions are softening, add the vegetable stock cube and mix thoroughly to break it down. Now add the frozen garden peas and the dried mint. Mix to combine. Then add approximately 700 milliliters of water and turn the heat up just a little to bring it to a boil. Once bubbling, turn the heat back down to a medium heat and cook for about 15 minutes. Once the pea and mint mixture has finished cooking, leave to completely cool for a few hours before blending. This step is absolutely crucial, as it is dangerous to put hot liquids into a blender that is not designed for them. So once again, please don't blend until it has completely cooled. If it is cool enough to dip your fingers in without burning them, you can proceed to the next step. Once the mixture has completely cooled, empty the pot into another container, as we will need the pot again shortly. And in batches, pour into a food processor and blend until smooth. Then pour back into the pot. Then keep blending batches until you have blended all of the soup mixture. Put the pot of soup back onto the stove on a medium heat to gently warm through, being sure to stir it frequently. Then add table salt and black pepper according to individual taste and mix to combine. Do not boil. The soup only needs to stay on the heat for about 5 minutes until it has heated through, and then you're ready to serve. Well done! You've made a delicious pea and mint soup. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and thank you so much for your presence. Be sure to check out another episode of Keto Cooking, and if you want to be notified of the next video upload, like, subscribe and hit that bell button. Also, here on this channel, Food from My Kitchen, this is a community, so feel free to comment below if you have made this recipe. And do tell if you've done any of it differently. I'd love to hear your suggestions, so keep them coming.